Hey everyone, 7th Sandwich here, coming at you with a new tutorial series, 2-minute tutorials for Unity. This part doesn't count towards the 2 minutes, so I can basically keep you here for as long as I want with no consequences whatsoever. In this series, we're going to go through Unity and show you little things that can save you a ton of time, money, and effort. Smart people are often actually really stupid people, and they over-engineer complicated solutions to very tiny problems. I myself am guilty of this. So for today's 2-minute tutorial, how to dynamic lighting idea number 1, let's get started. So we've made our scene and everything looks great. We've got a campsite and a little campfire here. It's a little dark. Let's add a point light to the fire, make it nice and warm. I mean, it's okay, it would be nice if it was flickering, right? Now we could spend an hour or two coming up with a good script, maybe peruse the asset store. And after trying out a few options and not really getting the results that you want, you realize it's because you're a stupid fucking idiot. There is no shortage of tutorials and plugins solving problems that don't actually exist. Unity already has a dynamic lighting system woven into the engine itself. Say hello to particle lighting. Click the box, drop in a prefab, fiddle the sliders, let there be light. A lot of times in Unity, the answer is already in front of you without you really having to do much. Now we can make a prefab out of this campfire and use it wherever we goddamn please. The best part is the light itself is driven by the particles. There's a lot of ways you can get creative with this, I shouldn't have to tell you. And that's it. This has been 2-minute tutorials, not counting the first part or this part, so technically less than 2 minutes, which means that I win and you have to like and subscribe to my channel, bitch.